What's up, Flitz fans? It's Graham here from Team Flitz. I'm here to tell you today about a great product Flitz produces, the All Metal Pre Clean. One of the questions that's been out there is, how do I get rid of stubborn, heavy brake dust, salt corrosion on my wheels without spending a ton of time? Well, I'm here to show you today how quick and how fast this product will work. So, come on down here. What you'll see is we have a wheel that's got a ton of brake dust issues, rust coming off that hub. Take a little bit of your pre-clean, spray it right on the area. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit for about a minute or two, just so it penetrates in. Now this product is an organic salt-based product. There is no acid involved, so it's not going to change the appearance of a wheel. A lot of the acid-based products will make it dull or hazy or milky white. Not so with this product. All right, we've let it sit for a minute. Now we're going to take the hose to it and rinse it right off. Well, it looks like we got a few stubborn areas that are not going away. So we're going to take it one step further. Grab yourself a tire brush, put a little bit more of the pre-clean on the area, and we're just going to give it a light scrub with a tire brush. That should remove the remaining rust, brake dust that's on there. All right, give it a couple more wipes here. It's looking pretty good. Grab my hose one more time and rinse it off. As you can see, just that quick, removes that brake oxidation, some of that rust that's in there. Now you're probably seeing some of this around here. There's nothing you can do on that at all. Obviously that's pitting to the wheel. That's happened over time from like salt corrosion, things like that. But other than that, boom, looking right like brand new. So you're probably asking yourself, man, it did a great job on that wheel, which is more of a dull or like a flat finish wheel. What would it do on a high polish wheel? The same thing, just really quick and easy. Again, take the pre-cleaner product, spray it right on. And we're going to let it sit for a minute, and we're going to come right back to it. All right, I think we've got that one sitting good enough. Take a little of our water and rinse it right off. Boom, look at that. Just that quick. Took all that brake dust right off. Hard water spots. Brought it right out to a nice finish. Well, there you have it. With just a few quick minutes of your time, you can clean and restore your wheels and bring them back to life with a Flitz Metal Pre Clean. Thanks so much for checking out the video. If you like what you saw, hit the like button and subscribe. Also, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. Remember, Flitz it.